Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Seco. So today we're going to be taking a look at Exela or Excel technologies, and I'm going to be talking about the technical analysis, my predictions, and why you should freaking absolutely buy Excel right now. So if you want to know everything right there, make sure to stick till the end, and let's just get straight into it. Okay, so first of all, Excel. Yesterday closed our price at right around 284. We were up 21 cent or approximately 8%. Okay, it was 7.98, but let's just say that it was 8%. Okay, this is the beautiful candle that we had. We could have been up for like pretty much more than that, but then the oh my god, the bears came here, okay, and I believe that the volume is insane, but we're gonna be taking a look at that later this video, okay. Also, let's just start about that. Why you should absolutely buy Exela. First of all, Exela is a business process automation provider based in Texas. So the company has more than 4,000 customers across 50 countries. Okay, those customers include more than 60% of the Fortune 100 companies. Also, why Exela stock is going up. The rise in Excel stock can be attributed to the several factors. Many hedge funds have been against Excel technologies, okay, driving the stock's short interest above 36%, which is insane. And also, Reddit investors have taken notice of that, and many investors are buying the shares now, expecting a short squeeze. I mean, there is nothing. There is nothing wrong to buy this and expect a short squeeze. Okay, there is nothing wrong with that. I absolutely expect short squeeze too. This is like heavily shorted. Also, I saw something on one dark website. Okay, the PH. I think that the green and the black website. You feel me? Not the orange and the black. You feel me? Excel is also famous right there. Like, if you believe it or not, but it is famous on Pornhub too. Also, what I want to say about Excel technologies is they're just like GME, okay, and or GameStop, AMC, SDM Holdings, are Arkimoto, also Pubmatic, Beam Global, BEEM. Excel Technologies is one of the best high short interest stocks to buy right now. So hopefully just keep that in mind. And also, I want to say is that the number of hedge funds hedge fund holders are 8 float shorted 36.1%. Okay, that's the short interest right there. And Excel Technology stock has offered investors returns exceeding the 68% over the course of the past year. It is placed 6th on our list for the 10 best high shorted interest stocks to buy now. The firm is headquartered in Texas and blah 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 blah. All I wanted to hear is right there, okay? And one person said, why I held? He said, I almost sold today with a small gain, then I realized there is nothing else to buy that has the potential of this stock. So I'm just gonna keep this for the long haul and wait for a huge gain, okay? And one person said, anyone who sells this Excel below $20 is a big loser. And he took a big L, a walking L. I see this stock pushing around $35 next year. Tell what you have out there that will bring you more returns. Okay, I'm not going to bash anyone for selling or the temptation. Everyone has different needs. I will say though, if you can afford it, hold as long as you can, and you will be happy you did. These are the people who kind of commenting on his kind of post and say, don't sell if you know you won't have regrets in the price doesn't go as you would like. Okay, so a lot of people right now, we are humans, bro. They're gonna be having temptations about selling Exela, and they could have been like, if for example if they're buying right there and they're like down right now like 50 or 60%. I don't know, that's 50, but 40-30%. They could have been like, oh, like, why am I even holding this stock? This is absolutely trash. The people who are like newer investors, if they buy in the stock like out of nowhere just turns around, it goes down. There could have been, oh, I just wanted to break even and I'm out of this bitch, I'm not even in this, okay? And a lot of people, you will say into the comment sections on YouTube, I mean on my channel too, in the comment sections, I absolutely don't want to delete them, because I know a lot of the people below his comment, they're going to be saying hedge funds, hedgy, something like that, because you know, a lot of the people have kind of that accounts who are trading on this kind of stock. And bro, if you had on XELA, I don't know what's wrong with you, okay? But everyone has their own thoughts, their own opinions. But yeah, and if you don't like it, you don't even need to, I mean, comment, okay? Just scroll off the video. Also, that's why I think that XELA is like absolutely buyer, like a huge buy right now. I may be wrong, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take my words as granted, because nobody can actually tame the market. And for the prediction that I said right now, in the stock market did not make that high right here. Even if it crossed with the wick, I just want the price to kind of close above the wick. So for me, so it could be a valid higher high, if you feel me. So yeah, we did kind of also hold this huge support area right here at 250ish, and we will see what will happen with that. I absolutely think that from here on that we can kind of push to the upside. And also for the volume and for the moving averages, okay, let us talk about that. First of all, for the volume, and also let's just start with the moving average, okay? We have a death cross right here. A death cross means that the price will push to the downside, okay? And that cross was absolutely at 8:30, okay, p.m. yesterday, when the market kind of, it was close to closing. I mean, it was like 1 hour before it closed. This is my time for like my zone on this like chart. And also, is that true? Is this like really gonna push back down? I don't think so. I mean, a lot of things you can see, this was absolutely wrong too. We had a golden cross right there and the price kind of pushed to the downside, which was not correct. Also this that cross here too, and this was a golden cross here, golden cross too. So a lot of the times you will see that on the 1 hour time frame that that will not make sense, okay? It will absolutely not. And I'm not saying that it can push a little bit to the downside and it kind of push back right around there, but yeah, I'm saying that we are not going to be seeing a huge movement to the downside after that. So that's about it for the moving averages. Let me turn them off now. Let me just, on the daily chart, as you can see, we are above all 3 moving averages, which is a good sign. Also for the volume on the daily chart, yesterday we had a bigger volume than usually. From the past 3 days before that, the volume was 40 million and the daily average was 145 million. And this is for this really pushed the average to the upside. 404 million in 1 day, then 514 million in 1 day, which is absolutely insane. And the day before that, I mean, for example, on 30th of July, the volume was 13 million, okay? So yeah, that's about it for the volatility. I mean, it can be quite volatile today too. And guys, this is basically for today. I hope you find a lot of a value, and I know a lot of people who are watching my channel are not subscribed, so maybe just like the video and maybe consider subscribing if you watch this kind of content. And guys, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.